You are going to love the 2019 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, alloy wheels, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, remote engine start. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax. It's covered. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.